up, YouTube? It's your girl Toy, and today is the final C day. So I was already on Lido. I showed you the ice carving. That was pretty cool. It was a swan. He did it in 18 minutes. But yeah, I just wanted to come to y'all because this is the last day and it's a little sad, but I wanted to say that this blessed exemplifies how I feel right now. So, on that note, I am gonna have the best night ever. Well, I'm gonna make do with the best night, the last night of the cruise. We're gonna do the ropes course. Well, I'm gonna do the ropes course. I'm gonna do some water sports, the slides today. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then eat, and eat some more. I'm gonna get my first pen. I'm gonna get my pens. I'm gonna collect my pens. You know, for your gold status. I'm a gold status now, so. They used to put them in your room, but now you have to go get them. So anyways, yes, I am gonna get my pen and then enjoy the rest of the day. So I don't know how much I'm gonna film, how much or how little, but even if they're little clips, please enjoy. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I have a lot more content coming up. I hope you guys are enjoying these cruise vlogs of the Mardi Gras because I've been having a blast this entire trip. I can't wait to come back. So also I'm going to let you guys know what cruise I'm doing next. What will that be? Stay tuned to find out. Hey y'all, so headed up the ropes course. Let's see if I can do it. Alright guys, so I did the rope course. I finished it. I couldn't film because I had my phone. But the zip line was scary, but I did it. Zip line was scary, but I finished it. Now I'm in the back. I'm going to try and do the slides. Yeah, I'm going to try and do the slides. So, this is what I'm looking at right here. I'm going to try and do some of these slides. And if you didn't know, this is the golf course. Mini golf. I'm playing mini golf right out the back. My deck 17 and a half. Bolts right below. Yep, mini golf. Okay, it's water slide time. sure you check it out next time. We are on board. So definitely check out the salads. Fresh Creation salads your way. Sorted. Alright, I'm gonna go find some lunch. This is Ty's bar. Ty's bar. Huh? I know.
When you come back, we want to serve you again, again. So bring me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll be back for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. Never let you go. You're leaving all of my ship. We want to see you back again. Leaving all of my ship. We want to see you back again. Leaving all of my ship. We want to see you.
Alright guys, so I don't know how much I got on this video for today, on this last day, but I hope you all enjoyed the Mardi Gras with me. I had a blast. I'm just sitting out here by Pig and Anchor on the deck. It's very peaceful, very pretty, with the pool, which closes at 10. So that's pretty much it, guys. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Toy for more content. And hey, I will see you in my next cruise. Oh, I don't think I ever told y'all what my next cruise is. I did say I was going to tell you. I almost forgot. I'm going to tell you. The Oasis. No, I'm sorry. Not the Oasis. The Mariner. The Mariner of the Seas. Coming in October. So look out for that vlog. Those vlogs. If you've ever been on the Mariner of the Seas, which is right in Royal Caribbean, if you've ever been on Mariner of the Seas, comment below your experience. Let me know how it is. Yeah. Alright guys, I will see y'all in my next cruise vlog or my next video.